Great deals and offers on a variety of Apple products only during the Flipkart Apple Day sale, which is now live. All this and more in today's episode. Hello everyone, welcome to a fresh new episode of Daily Fiber. I'm your host Raman Rashid, and before we get on with the rest of the episode, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. The Flipkart Apple Day sale is currently live and it will be live until the midnight of November 20th. Now, there are a variety of deals and offers on many Apple products, especially iPhones and MacBooks. So if you were planning to get one for yourself, then this is the right time. So starting off with some of the best deals that I found. Well, the iPhone 13 is currently retailing for 65,000, so a 5,000 rupees instant discount from its usual price. But that's not all. If you don't want an older generation iPhone, you can also buy the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus. Those new models are also getting a 5,000 rupees discount if you use an HDFC card for your transaction. But the best iPhone deal, in my opinion, is on the iPhone 12. So the iPhone 12 is going for 56,000 rupees for the 128GB version, and on this price, usually the 64GB version retails. But 56,000 rupees for the 128GB version of the iPhone 12, well, that's a good deal. But that was the best iPhone deal. In my opinion, the overall best Apple deal currently is on the MacBook Air M1. So that laptop usually goes for around 1 lakh rupees. But currently there's an instant discount of 8,000 rupees, which brings the price down to 92,000 rupees. Now, if you have an HDFC card at this moment, then you can further avail of a further 10,000 rupees off on the 92,000 rupees price, which brings down the final price to 82,000 rupees for the 8GB 256GB variant of the MacBook Air M1, and that one is a steal. Of course, you can know about all the deals and offers on these different Apple products by going to Flipkart. Amazon is all set to lay off 10,000 of its global workforce across departments, and this is happening due to the uncertain macroeconomic environment. Now, the company's senior vice president of devices and services, Mr. David Lim, he has given a statement, and he said that the impacted employees have been told about their layoff. They have been informed about their layoff, and they will be given a time of about 2 months to find themselves a new job. Their severance pay and things like that will be taken care of. And just in case if these impacted employees are not able to find a job for themselves outside of Amazon, then they can apply for different roles within the company. So that is there. But this just goes on to show that the tech industry is going through a tough time right now, and the falling revenue and of course recession is showing the kind of impact it is having on the market. But the worst part is that speaking of recession, that it is just getting started. Now, laying off employees is one thing that a company can do to cut costs. Amazon is also asking its employees to voluntarily hand in their resignation. So employees have time until November 29th to hand in their resignation papers voluntarily, and if they do so, then they will receive their severance pay after 3 months. Then they will also get their 1 week of salary for every 6 months of tenure at Amazon. Then 12 weeks of stipend will also be given, and the insurance and things like that will also be taken care of until the end of this year. So until 29th November, the employees have the time. And if they also, by the way, if they wish to withdraw their resignations, then they are also given time for that also. So until 5th December, these employees can also withdraw their resignations in case they change their minds. So of course, approved resignations will be informed to the employees by next month, and in that case these employees will have their last working day on December 23rd. Netflix has added a much needed setting for account management. So up until now we all use Netflix. You and I, we both use Netflix. We use it on our personal devices, on our phone, on our laptops, but there are also times when we use Netflix at different places, say at a friend's house, on their TVs, on their laptops, at a relative's place. And this way our account is circulated among different people, and people use our Netflix accounts for free. I don't like that. But Netflix is now has added a much needed thing for account management. So whenever you access your Netflix account settings from a laptop or any computer, you can go to your account management and kick out any of the people you don't wish to share your account with, or say you can sign out the unwanted people from your account. And this way, freeloaders will now have to buy their own Netflix subscription, and I like that.
I like it.
Now it is time for a tip of the week, which is the special segment, and the tip that I have for you is that how you can share a screenshot from your iPhone like a pro. So sharing normal screenshots with others is plain boring. But if you have an iPhone and you're sharing your screenshot and you want to highlight a specific part of the screenshot, how you can do that, let me show you. So whenever you take a screenshot on the iPhone and you go to the edit screen, you just have to press the plus icon in the bottom right. Then you have to choose the magnifier from the list, and this will add a magnifying glass to the screenshot, so you can adjust its placing. And then you can also use the blue dot to increase the size of the circle, while the yellow dot increases the zoom. This way you don't have to share plain and dull screenshots when you can add highlights to specific parts of the screenshot on an iPhone using the magnifier tool. And with that, we have reached the end of this episode. So what are your thoughts on today's episode of Daily Fiber? Will you be buying any new iPhone or MacBook from the Flipkart Apple Day sale? And what's your thought on Amazon sacking 10,000 employees? Let me know everything in the comments below. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiber. I'll catch you all in a fresh new episode tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you for watching.